the night show for today will be Friday. Special. This today is a special Friday. We'll just say make Pastor Yan make it take breaks, small making rest. Because from Monday to Friday, Pastor Yan they work. He's a pastor, plus including other people where they go teach some kind of things for different parts of Nigeria. You go travel, go here. So in body strong, where we say making rest for today. So today is a special Friday. Topic when the people we supposed to discuss now healing from cheating. Last week na cheater. Last 2 weeks na cheater.
Yeah.
Last 2 weeks na cheater.
2 weeks na cheater.
Last 2 weeks na cheater. Then last week na cheaty.
Yes.
Today is supposed to be cheaty before we go do reconciliation.
Yes.
But today, what we want discuss na say, wetin be that? Wetin confession. Today na confession Friday. Wetin be that thing when he be say you not fit open mouth?
Pastor, you say make I greet you. Say in there okay. You say make I go talk to them for outside.
Okay, talk to them. Okay.
He say make I greet all of me. Will greet all of you now. On top night, you're not face. So say body is not firewood. So now you he has to calm down and realize his body. You have till next Friday. But today, confession time.
Confession time.
Confession.
Confession time.
Confession.
Confession time.
Confession.
Good. Now, it will go start. Make our phone numbers down there on top of your TV. Confession. Just begin to confess. What is that thing when you be say you do?
Confession.
When you be say you need confessor. Or I'll go put this English now, IzyBeatz.
You need to free your body and your soul and your spirit of the burden of that thing.
Yeah, what thing be the how you go take put on for your own?
Probably that thing what you don't do. We be like say you don't fit tell any other person, but you just won't share and anything come.
Okay, you don't need to call your. You know what thing happen? You don't need to call your name. You don't need to call name.
No.
No call name. In fact, no calling of name today.
Nothing.
Except say you want to talk another thing. But if you want confess, just call us.
And
confess
just talk
that thing
off your telephone line and go.
Confess that thing when you say you not fit tell anybody. Nobody will not share them with anybody.
When that thing when you sleep for night and you wake up, you just they sweat for your body, but you don't fit tell anybody.
You not fit tell anybody. Just confess it out. Confess it. I know say some of una own confession na say una want marry Katim. It will not work. It will not work. It will not work.
And some of that confession be say you want marry Nedu.
No.
I tell you
no.
now.
Una see ring for my hand, Abby.
Yes, see ring for our 2 hands. It cannot work.
I am taking. Who sing that song? Who sing that I am taking?
Cynthia Morgan.
I'm taken.
Cynthia Morgan. So any of una wake call, say anonymous, calling from Niger. Anonymous,
from Benue,
calling from Switzerland.
Yes.
Anonymous, calling from
heaven. Anonymous,
calling from
the
hell.
solar system. For all.
Anywhere. So call us. When we come back, we go watch one music video. Hey. Ada, everybody they wait. Oh, put a cannon on.
If not boy or boy.
If not boy or boy girl or girl.
So 3 options: boy, girl, and girl.
It depends.
Not lie.
On a Friday.
It not depends on anything. No, today is Friday, not the Monday to Thursday.
Right.
Today is we have to be free today.
Yes.
So if not boy, waiting go be the name.
Maxwell and Eric, like this one.
Maxwell and Eric.
Boy.
If not girl, Lunka.
Jane and maybe Annabelle.
Aww.
If not boy and girl, Lunka.
Same.
Maxwell
Eric
and
or
Erica.
Maxwell and Jane or Annabelle.
You not get where you come from.
No, not the English name be that now.
Or the native name if not boy, Lunka.
If not boy, Osas and
Osamudi Abi.
Are your name? Osas and probably my name, Osa.
Osa. If not girl, Lunka.
Maybe Esohe and Itoa.
Hey, good. You got to arrange the name of it. All the guys with their cars, oh my God! IzyBeatz named our children already. Oh my God! Okay, our phone numbers go there on top of TV now. Make you begin to call us. Make you know the confession where you get to confess. On top Twitter.
Hey!
Brainbox say
why you calling
me? Hey!
No read them. Just later you come back to that.
Okay, and this other person said, what are people on Twitter? Anonymous, we'll not go call your name.
You all send them, but we know we'll just talk the thing.
They do your orange shoe, not be small, not be orange. It's called, what did they call the color?
Copper brown.
Copper brown, cotton.
Cotton color.
Cotton color. I don't see why you come late, Katim, to dress up. That your attire take not less than 1 hour. If I pull that shoe, make I come collect them.
Nedu, if you pull that your shoe, tell me, make I come collect them. It make brain.
Okay, and then this person say, I slept with my girlfriend's friend. Slept with my girlfriend's good friend. I just can't tell it to her though. It's one of my deepest secrets. It still hurts.
I ain't gonna say hurts you now.
No, this guy.
It hurts you.
He's hurt.
Why you hurt?
It hurts him.
Therefore, come on,
Probably.
okay, now you no, that didn't.
Maybe a mistake.
Yeah, I know they proud of her.
Ain't not they proud of what he do.
Wait, which kind of mistake that one go?
If
so
say,
you off your choices.
No, nothing that happen.
No.
The mistake will happen be say the girl they her house, they sleep. You understand? So maybe he won't go find his girlfriend for the girl house. Okay. So the girl be don't chop banana. Can't keep the peel for ground. So in come the waka, the banana can't slide down
into the.
So in can't fall. Bam! Now the thing can't happen. So as the banana slide down, as in the fall, the thing come out in cloth. So everything. So in can enter. So now what thing happen? Not be say in planner.
Okay.
I know what happened to this guy. Not be say in planner.
Okay.
So therefore. For those of you who want call, remember your name is not your name today. Your name is Anonymous.
Yes, no matter what.
No matter which name you get.
If your name is Jesus Christ, your name is what?
Anonymous. If your name is Ibimba, your name is what? Anonymous.
Yes.
IzyBeatz. Your name is what? No, IzyBeatz, then they see you. IzyBeatz. What is that confession?
Yeah, I forget about Izzy will tell you.
No, if you talk today, we'll not know. IzyBeatz talk.
Technically, not really confession though. I had a friend one time way back. So she don't marry now though. So but before
she don't marry now.
Yes, she's married. So we're very close.
Why do you speak English?
No, but English I speak so now.
When is it one like?
We did very close. So so actually we be the dates.
Okay.
So but when she was now she's citizen of America now she be before.
Okay.
Yeah. So we shall know say she could travel with time. So she can finally travel. So we can't hope say at least we go try keep the relationship make it make sense. But though technically I keep my own part though. So but she not keep her part, yeah. So it can't reach one time we can be say I try at least for like 4 or 5 years. I wait.
So what's be the secret now?
The secret can be say after when she won't come try, then she can't ask me say whether me I still like her. But I can't tell her say I like her. But I look and say, but road on this nigga. I just shy light, give him say, I know.
So now secrets, baby.
Yeah, for me, yes.
So now confession.
Now confession.
So
yeah.
you say this thing when is
you sit us down, make us and the whole world
with proud attitude.
They listen to you.
You don't get the message of the story. Now make her. Now like Katim, now won't get her, but she can't lose her because of you.
You get the story?
No. Now you never me. You see, by the time I'm thinking. Now this kind of thing they make person feel like Sam. What is the trust and the plot of your story? Iba, there's nothing there. This kind of thing when Izzy talk will show you the kind mind. Izzy get deep mind. Izzy will carry that secret to the grave. My title of IzyBeatz film: Secret to the Grave. Not be cradle to the grave. Secret to the grave.
Katim, talk your own secret.
No, I don't get secret really. In all my years of living.
Anybody who not get secrets get problem.
Yes, obviously.
So you're saying I get problem as I sit down, so I get problem.
Anybody who not get secret get problem.
Okay, my secret, I remember. I be man before in my previous life. That's my secret.
Hey, okay. Kwakadiri Abiola say, na me make IzyBeatz hair grow and na me cause Katim to take.
So you be winch. You are a wizard. You see now when you talk that that don't
they come back.
They
and then this one say, confession help a guilty soul find peace. W Night Show #confession help a guilty soul find peace. My confession is I love the night show. I want to be your guest.
You are not
my
ready.
brother. Now hope and wish. Now dream you the dream. Now your dream. Now you talk. So not be your confession.
No, confession.
Confession.
Why if you say people know? I don't know. Then you don't talk true to yourself. Confession.
My confession is that I just break a girl's heart. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Now, before we read tweet, make we begin take phone calls.
Yes.
Hello, my brother Anonymous. Good evening.
Yes. Then the conversation is about Katim.
Okay.
Katim, I want to speak with you, with her.
Also.
You want to Guinea? What do you hear?
From Tad. So I'm not here the other one again.
I want to date with you.
I don't do something with you with Tad.
That when you talk, be eloquent and eligible and legible.
I know. My confession is that okay, this is how it does break girl heart.
Anthony
Mecheta said, "Chai."
Oh.
No worry.
Okay, no.
You not talk anything. He say, "Pity yourself, oh. IzyBeatz, pity yourself. Oh. Now market women talk. You they call now market women talk yarn. You call secret. Checking my thank you. Now gist, market women gist. Now they call secret. My brother, you not get secret. And then this one say, Nedu, your attire is so nice and Katim look so sweet. IzyBeatz smile, radiates confidence. My brother, you're a man. You should be ashamed of yourself. Say, man, smile, radiates confidence. What thing concern you and man smile? Eh? Anyway, from Anonymous from Abuja, good evening.
Nedu.
How is you, Anonymous?
Nedu, how are you today?
Fine, thank you. Are you with me?
I'm with you.
Okay, if you are with him, what is your confession?
What is your confession?
My confession na Katim and went to the village in a boy TV. So my own confession is say, I'm not going to sleep, Nedu. You know what I believe?
I not go believe.
You know what I believe that I'm not going to sleep.
You not get secret.
Okay.
So what will be that thing where you not fit tell person where you know about you where you not fit tell person?
About me, right?
You when you thief for pause when you be 10 years old that time.
No, that one no be na normal. Say everybody thief
No,
for pause.
I know.
But since say no get blemish now.
You know what I do when I get small, right? We'll be twins. And that twins way will be. I feel go find trouble. If you want my sister, they beat them, I go pass.
It's a market gist now. Not be secret be this now. Anonymous. What be your name?
They don't go make heaven. This is where your face be like Akamoku.
Yes, it's na your own Akamoku.
But you don't say.
Is it your Akamoku?
I don't know. For this show tonight, we be lecturers and teachers and examiners.
What is your problem?
If you submit your notebook like that, you fail.
My confession is that, okay, this one say, I have a huge crush on Katim. Now crush, you go crush. That crush, you go crush you.
Your crush will crush you.
My confession is that I be Virginia, but I be #1 wire of this.
You are a rewirer.
And then my confession, oh my God, so romantic. Jesus lives forevermore. Some people are just sick. Sharon Omejiako, are you all right?
Am I this kind of thing when they set exam for you and you fail, you say it's your village people that is doing you. Would you for them for by yourself?
If not be say one take phone calls, I for say me could take K-Solo. May come give us a confession. Because if K-Solo start give confession, we no come on here today.
No.
Or may bash. Bash.
No, when we run confession for them now, they feel yours, they enter one by one.
K-Solo not go come.
K-Solo no go come.
Nah, you can't talk about rules.
K-Solo no go talk. Come. But bash, we can give him confession. Sharply.
Which kind of confession? Sharply.
Sharply own. Hey.
Jonah? How about Jonah?
Jonah. Hey, Jonah, that one in confession plenty. Anonymous, good evening.
Hello, Nedu.
From Lokoja, Anonymous, good evening.
Nedu, how you there now?
I there fine, oh.
Anonymous.
How Katim?
She there here, you know they see him.
I don't know.
Okay, how are they? My confession is, I had a dream and I got married to Obama's daughter.
Only you.
My brother, wait, make I ask you. What will be your name? What will be your name?
My name?
Yes.
You say it to be anonymous now.
You not get secret now?
You don't know confession.
People don't know what will be the meaning of secret.
Okay,
what will be the meaning of secret?
Secret? No, you say we should not mention our name that should be anonymous.
What will be the meaning of secret?
Secret is that if someone else wants his name to be mentioned.
If you know what make you then call your name, name be secret.
No, you say anonymous. That is, if not, I told them my name at the reception.
Okay, make I ask you. I ask you simple question now.
Yes,
what be secret? What then they call secret?
Define the word secret.
Secret is maybe a conversation between the two people and you don't want another third party to hear about it. That will be a secret.
Okay, what be that? Hold on. What be that thing about you? Where you know what make person know?
No, this one now you say confession. That is I had a dream and I got married to this year. And I think that is
my brother, it will continue to be a dream. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, because from just good evening. I don't know why we even talk to this guy. Anonymous, good evening.
How are you?
Fine, my sister in the Lord. How is your ministry?
Oh, my ministry is fine. And how is yours?
Our own donkey day permanent site. In fact, we don't day camp already.
Yes.
All right. My confession is that. Are you there?
Yes, we hear you.
I want to marry General Muhammadu Buhari.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my dream.
All right.
No.
I said dream, Abi. Oh, Jesus.
Only my confession to marry Muhammadu Buhari.
No. And the know confession. About you people did not go school.
That is the confession.
Night school, una go.
You hear?
I beg, if you go,
Bye-bye.
just cut this call now. Because nigga wanna cut this, end this call.
You see, the people, they confuse secret, confession, and dream. What is your correlation between secret and confession and dream?
I beg, more glass, more chicken break. When you come back, we'll continue it on top of the matter. I don't know, we don't know if you know the meaning of secret and confession. I'm not going to name here.
I don't know.
You see, with a better play, make we go break because.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.